Hi all my beautiful friends. So I thought I would do a quick outfit of the day, makeup and hair of the day. Today is my anniversary, so I thought it'd be fun to make a quick video. And I also wanted to share my wardrobe rack that I got from Target for really inexpensive, and I literally built it myself. I'm trying to learn how to build things. I built my own bookshelf and this. Not that it really would take a rocket science to put that together, but it makes me proud and feel accomplished when I do these little things on my own. So if you're new to my channel, my name is Charlie and I love fashion, plus size fashion, all kinds of fashion, empowering women, makeup, home decor, anything you can think, what's in my purses. That's kind of what my channel is about, and I thought I would share my outfit for today and just a little update on what's been going on and why I have all this makeup on. So I just did my hair in a quick little pony, and I just curled these little front pieces. So my hair was straight and I didn't love it straight. I don't know why I ever attempt to straighten my hair. It never looks good on me. So I just took it and curled these front pieces and pulled it back in a polka dotted ribbon, and I just curled the ends and just left it in a ponytail, which I don't often wear, but I kind of really love this low ponytail. I paired it with these really pretty cream triangle-y like wicker earrings. I'll link these below. They're very inexpensive on Amazon. I did this really pretty purple and like lilac-y white in the inner corner, very matte, but still very spring appropriate, and it's very beautiful today, so it feels just appropriate to wear a purpley spring color. I just did a pink on my cheeks, which I don't do often, but I feel like this warranted a pink cheek, and then a really pretty nude lip gloss. On my nails, look how gorgeous these press-on nails are. They're from Kiss, and they're called Bare But There, I believe. They're short and gorgeous. They literally just look like my natural nails, and they were $5.99 at Target. If I can find them on the website, I'll link them below, but I will also, maybe I can find them on Amazon, but check out Walmart and Target. Bare But There, I think is the name. I'll pop it on the screen so you can actually see, but look how beautiful these are. You would never know that wasn't my natural nail, and I really am digging like the short square nail. I feel like they look very natural and pretty, and I am obsessed. So I just put on this really cute little frilly baby doll dress because it is very nice. It has these beautiful little elastic sleeves with a little tiny ruffle. This is from Boohoo last season, and I got it for literally $10, and I think, hold on one second, I bought one in like this tannish pink. I wish I had gone down one size. I wish I had gone down a size. I believe I got a size 18. I wish I had done 16 because, as you can see, it is a little bit big. And then I will pull you down and just show you my shoes for today. They're just my white mules. This is the bottom of the dress, and then I just threw on these little white mules. Very simple but cute. Very easy but cute. Still dressy. Very appropriate for this beginning of spring. It's still March 18th, but we're getting closer and closer to spring, let's hope. Today's 70. It was so foggy this morning. I can pop in a clip here of how foggy it was. There was zero visibility. I have never in all of my life, and even though I live right by the ocean, you'd think I would have saw fog like this. The fog was incredibly bad. It almost scared me to drive, but I had to take my daughter to school. The fog was horrible this morning. So, like I said, today is my anniversary. I have been married for 16 years. Believe this or not, I have been married my entire adult life. I have been with my husband since the day we met December 18th. My birthday is December 11th. So a couple days after my 18th birthday, and we got married. I can always talk about that in some other time, but I've been married my entire adult life. It has not been easy. It's been quite a challenge, but it has been wonderful years. So, my daughter's 15, so we're going to go out to dinner together. I feel like this is a cause for celebration for all three of us. We've kind of been together, or we have been through so much together, and I like to celebrate with her as well. It just feels fitting for this year. We bought a new house and we moved, and she's doing so well in school, so I just thought it'd be fun to take her with us. So this is my outfit of the day. I really love this springy purple. It is from the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill 2 palette. It is so pigmented and blends like an absolute dream come true. And I feel like these little bouncy, tight, kind of girly face framing pieces, and then the pretty ponytail in the back, just all kinds of looks, kind of looks nice with the polka dotted navy blue scarf. And then I wanted to show you this. I got this from Target. It is on wheels. This was $11 at Target. I think this is going to look really, really cool in the background of videos when I do more fashion videos. I think it's going to look fun. I've always wanted one, and it's pretty decent quality, and it took me 15 minutes to put together. It comes with a little Allen key wrench, and I was able to do it all by myself in 15 minutes, and it was 11 bucks, which was amazing. If I can find it, I will link it for you down below, but it was just right at my local Target. I love it. I think it's going to look really cool. I was also looking at the wardrobes and the new clothes and all the new styles they have out. A lot of stuff seems similar from last year. I'm not sure why Target does that very Little House on the Prairie every year. It just seems like the same stuff, just different colors. But some of the stuff is so, so cute. And they do have some flared jeans. So I'm hoping to get a couple of spring pieces. But Walmart, I was shocked how gorgeous Walmart's spring clothing is. I'm gonna get my butt over there. I know I need a few pieces. I definitely want to get 2 pairs of really, really nice jean shorts for this summer. The 2 pairs that I have were just way, way too big, and they look baggy and they make me look heavier than I am. So I'm excited to get some spring pieces. So I thought this would be fun in the background for when I get the spring pieces, and it's gonna look nice, and it's on wheels and it moves easy, and even if it doesn't slide across the carpet, I can just pick it up because it's very light, and I believe it holds up to 17 pounds of clothes, which I don't know if that's a lot or not. It doesn't sound like a lot to me, but maybe it is. So this is my makeup for today. Again, I just want to show you these nails. They were $5.99. They are so beautiful. Every time I kind of see them in the monitor, I can't believe how pretty they look. So yeah, this is just my hair and makeup for today. I really like this dress, and if it gets chilly tonight, I'll just throw maybe like a little jean jacket over it or a little sweater. So that is everything for today. I hope you stick around and subscribe. If you have any questions for me, feel free to leave them down below. I'm excited to just celebrate tonight with my family and enjoy our 16th anniversary. So I hope you stick around and subscribe, and I will see all of you in my next video. Bye, guys.